This is the part 2, guys. Yes. Okay. Shut up. Sorry, guys. My sibling is so annoying. She's so annoying. Like, I said shut up, and he said blah 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 blah. Say that to me. So I need another one.
Alis na ako. What's
that?
Dami naman na ito.
That's for Paw Patrol. My grandma say Paw Patrol. Why I'm the speaking English here. Like I don't know why
Linis mo si Ramon.
what's Masi Ramon? I don't have sticker, guys. So this is I don't have any sticker. Bye bye, guys. Bye. Bye bye.